Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. So today I have catering for Greek dishes. So I have a vegetarian and chicken Souvalaki. Check it out. Today's catering, guys, I got my special Greek salad. It's with feta cheese, olives, red onions, cucumbers, tamero, special Greek sauce, a little bit of olive oil, and some feta cheese. I also have Souvalaki, which is going with the Greek salad. I marinated it the night before. Now I'm just going to turn it around and stick them on the barbecue. Here I have paneer kebab. And now we're just going to grill it for about 5 minutes on each side. There's the basmati rice, guys, my flavored basmati for the Souvalaki and the paneer catering. There's the vegetarian, guys.